Guys, when you come to Google and look for companies hiring fully remote data entry jobs, you can see that the companies that are going to show you are either health related companies or legal companies. Like you can see here, the Google AI is showing some companies that you might check out where you will possibly find typing jobs. When it comes to data entry typing jobs, these are one of the easiest jobs that you can actually find and do from the comfort of your home. And the good thing about this job is that all you need to know is how to type and type accurately. Now what this means is that when it comes to data entry, usually health related companies or legal companies that are usually hiring people to enter their data. And this is a very serious job because it is repetitive and you'll be making use of figures, numbers and symbols, stuff like that. So you have to be able to know your speed and your accuracy, because any mistake you make can cause a lot of problems. So like I used to talk about in my other videos, I recommend you go to Google and look for typing tests that you can do to be able to say that this is your speed, and of course to know your accuracy when it comes to data entry and typing. So once you have done this and you're equipped, then I'm going to show you a hack, a secret hack that nobody's talking about, how you can find jobs in your location, data entry jobs in your location. So whether you're from the United States, the Philippines, India, Nigeria, South Africa, anywhere you are from, just put in your country with this simple Google hack that I'm going to share with you. Then you're going to see results as related to your country when it comes to remote data entry job or any other job you may be looking for. You can as well use it, just change the figures. So when you come to Google, so you're going to type in this open bracket site colon apply dot company data entry remote jobs in Nigeria, because I'm going to be using Nigeria as an example for this video. So here you can change your country, add South Africa, add India, United States, Thailand, Pakistan, anywhere at all. You can add it here. Then you're going to see results. So for Nigeria, you can see it's bringing out data entry jobs remote in Africa, and these ones are in Africa as well. It's also going to show you from different countries, but you can easily find the one in your own country once you use this prompt. And if you keep scrolling, you can easily find the one in your country. Now the good thing about this job is that they are new, and as you can see, everything is new. They are posted like a few hours ago. Like this one was posted 14 hours ago, and this one is going to pay you $20 to $30 per hour, and the job is available in Nigeria. So if you're interested in this job, you click here, then you're going to see this window that will pop up. Then you go to the website, like this one is the elite job. Then you go there, you can learn more about the job and everything you're expected to know. Now the good thing about this one is that it's going to show you people that have viewed this job as well, so you have that in mind. And then you click apply here to start applying. So you can apply this in any country you are in to be able to find remote data entry job or any other job that you may be looking for in your location. They can use this method to look for it. Now the good thing about this method is that if you come to Google and say companies hiring fully remote data entry jobs, you can see what you see here is all news, short videos, images and forums and stuff like that. But if you use this prompt I showed you, you're going to be seeing things like all jobs, job sites, short videos, news, forum and all. So you have to click on jobs to be able to be seeing available job. And you know that these jobs are recent, so it's always going to show you the jobs that are very much available at the moment, not jobs that are posted some weeks ago or some months ago. So that is the good part about using this hack that I just showed you. So I hope this video was helpful. If you find value so far, please take a time out, like and subscribe. We are on our way to 6,000 subscribers. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us in the ways you have been doing. Thank you so much. If you're looking for other remote work from home jobs or typing jobs, or even a way to earn money daily using simple tasks, check out this video showing on your screen. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.